trying to show you how to create, how to control with the help of this Logitech gamepad with the slave computer, which is here. We will be controlling that robot right there. So the task is this. Come here. So the task which we are going to show is this one right now, and so we can begin. The task is this one. Okay, so this is basically lecture number 7. So we are actually trying to show how to do this thing. Come. So we began with this robot. So you can see that the computer has its, so the robot has its own laptop base, and we have all the connections done. The battery is charged. Make sure the battery is charged. We charged it with a 12-volt charger, and we gave it a current of 4.5 amps for around 1 hour. You just need to keep it for 1 hour, then the battery will be charged. The battery is connected here. If you can zoom in, Adhiraj. The battery is connected here where it is written BAT. We will be creating a charger port also later, but for now the batteries are charged like that. Now the Arduino is here on the back of all the robots. The Arduino is here, while we have a switch which is the main switch with which you can turn this on and off. So right now it is on. Now let's show you how to control the motors. So we begin it with the Python script that we created. Sorry, the Arduino code that we created. The Arduino code is here, given here. With this we have to create 2 more files. One is a .cpp file, which is basically a C++ file, and one is a .h file. These are the dependencies that are required for these motors, which are here for these wheels. Once they are done, we will be just uploading this code from here. It's showing from here, and then once we have done this, the uploading, then yeah, it's fine for now. But and then we will have to create the Python script. So once this is done, then basically we have to go to the terminal in which we started with the ROS core. Once the ROS core has started, in the next tab we have to run the Python script. So the code is given here. ROS run my teleop config space joy to cmd velocity.py. Once this thing runs, then we have to start the ROS serial. The ROS serial code is given here. This is the ROS serial code, and we have to make sure that this ACMO can be either 0 or 1. So we have to check it. What is it? And once we have done this, then we have to go to the main or the slave PC. Then we will follow the steps of how to connect. We can connect it with my instructions that I've created in the file called lecture 6, and these are the steps which I followed to connect this slave PC with the base, with the master. And out here in the slave PC, we will again have to run the ROS core command, and then we just check whether both the PCs are connecting or not. So we just ping the address of the main PC which I gave. So you see it is sending the data. I can just quickly show you that again. So it was ping 192.168.1.72, which is the address of this robot. So you can see the data is being transferred. Once this is done, you will just check with the ROS node whether the serial is running or not. So the serial here is the serial underscore node. Once that is seen, you will just connect your joystick and run the run joy underscore node. And then once this is opened, then you just have to check whether it's running or not. So yeah, so it runs basically. These are the steps. Thank you.